Yamaha Waverunner WR500 WR650 won't start. This video outlines factory troubleshooting procedures that you should follow to fix a Yamaha Waverunner WR500 or WR650 that will not start up and begin to work. These troubleshooting procedures apply to a motor that does not crank, and when the motor turns over but does not start. This information also applies to an engine that starts up but stalls shortly after. It is highly recommended you download the complete factory repair manual at 911manual.com before you perform troubleshooting, maintenance, service or repair to your personal watercraft. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual. You can download the manual in seconds. The repair manual, seen here, covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service and repair. You can use it to perform a simple oil change or to rebuild the entire vehicle. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.